Artificial intelligence just made you a professional digital artist. No experience needed. In the next 4 minutes, discover how to generate gallery-worthy artwork using simple text prompts. Activate art generators democratize creativity. You don't need years of training, just imagination and the right prompts. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 turn your wildest ideas into stunning visuals instantly. Artists aren't being replaced, they're being amplified. The barrier between concept and creation has collapsed. Your prompt is your paintbrush, specificity matters. Instead of cat, try majestic orange tabby and cosmic nebula, cinematic lighting, 8-key resolution. Includes style references, oil painting, cyberpunk Studio Ghibli. Add technical details, reference. Designers use AI for rapid prototyping. Streamers create unique assets instantly. Small businesses generate professional marketing visuals affordably. Instagram creators produce viral content daily. Game developers conceptualize worlds faster. Whether freelance or enterprise, AI art workflows are redefining what's possible in creative industries today. Start experimenting with free tools like Bing Image Creator or Stable Diffusion. Study trending prompts in community galleries. Refine your technique through iteration. Each prompt teaches you more. Join the creative revolution. The future belongs to those who blend human imagination with eye capability. Smash like if you're ready to create. Subscribe for weekly eye art tutorials and prompt engineering secrets. Comment your first eye creation below.